Hello, welcome to Open House. My name is Tonnar Estingoy. Students call me Mr. E. You can feel free to do the same. At Cobb Middle School here, I teach art. So I teach Art 1, Art 2D, and Art 3D. Both of those are second level art classes. In Art 1, we'll be doing two different units of study. We're going to be doing a 2D unit and a 3D unit. Each one's going to be a semester. So in the 2D unit, we're working on drawing, painting, shading. All of these are beginning things, so learning to draw, learning to see, things like that. In the 3D section, we'll be doing more intro things, and it's really a survey to let students know exactly what we're looking for and what further explorations into 3D and 2D will be like. So in 3D, we'll be doing some basic sculpture, some basic pottery, learning technique, things like that. In 2D Art 2, we're going to dive a whole lot further into 2D art. So we're going to be working on a bunch of different media and techniques. We'll be working on printmaking, painting, drawing, figure drawing, more in-depth learning how to shade and transform a flat surface into something that looks more three-dimensional. In 3D Art 2, we'll be exploring a bunch of 3D art forms. We're going to learn how to create them, whether it's going to be paper sculptures, which is something we've already started on, some paper mache, ceramics, cardboard sculptures, found objects, things like this. Now, I would like to take this minute to let you know that there is a $10 course fee associated with my classes. If you are a brick and mortar student and brick and mortar family, I would greatly appreciate that you get that in as soon as you can, because this year, as you know, we're having to buy more things because nothing can be shared. So the sooner you get that in, the more we'll be able to do in class. Now, a lot of the supplies, especially for you brick and mortar students, we're getting things and giving them to you. Everyone's going to have a set of certain things. So in the classroom, if I give you color pencils or pencil sharpeners or anything like that, I have a box for everybody to keep them in the classroom. But please be aware, if the student breaks these items or runs out of these items or uses these items up, they're going to need some more. And I don't know if we're necessarily going to be able to get a second set of anything. Okay, so please be aware of that. Those of you that are at home, make sure you're getting the supplies you need to sufficiently complete the assignments. Obviously, if you're working from home and getting all your own equipment, the $10 fee is less of an issue. When we start moving into things that you're going to have to come and pick up from the school, such as clay and things like that, you would just pay your $10 when you start picking up your items from school. Okay. Let's see. If you would like to donate anything to the art room, that would be great. We appreciate all donations. It can be anything you have lying around your house that you feel you can make art with. I have what is known as the box of randomness in my classroom. So if you have any interesting looking object that we can draw, and this could be anything you plan on getting rid of, something with an interesting texture, something that's odd or students don't maybe see, or different tools or things like that. I'm always looking for donations of things that you think would be interesting to draw to help students learn. So feel free to drop any of that off at the front office that you would like. Now, if you need to contact me, you can always contact me through email. It's estingoyt@leonschools.net, so feel free to contact me that way. I'm really good about returning emails, so if you shoot me an email, I'll definitely get back to you within 48 hours. For students, if you need to contact me, please do it through Canvas. Now, that being said, all the information on the projects and what we are doing is in Canvas. So all the directions, examples, everything like that is in Canvas. If you still need more help, say you missed one of our Zoom calls or something like that, I'm totally available. Students message me through Canvas. We'll set something up, and I'll make sure you know what you need to know. Parents, if you need to get in touch with me, again, email is going to be the best way. Okay, so all instructions or projects are on Canvas. Okay, if you need to know anything about what we are doing, it should all be right there. Like I said, if you have questions, let me know. All grades, I'm grading things in Canvas and then migrating it to Focus. So I try to update Focus pretty regularly. And especially for those of you that have brick and mortar students, Focus is going to be your go-to because not everything is submitted through Canvas, but everything will be in Focus. So if you have a question or if there's a discrepancy, please let me know. But the de facto program that we use for grades is Focus. So make sure you're checking with Focus. Okay. If you need extra help, like I said, reach out to me. I'm always willing to help. So just let me know. I'm glad to have everyone here this year. We're going to make some great art.